Welcome to Farm Friends Fun! Shh! Do you hear that? Someone's making a funny noise on the farm! Welcome to the farm! Ooh, who could that be? Let's go on a special journey to find out who's making all those sounds. It's time for Farm Friends Fun! Wow, so many sounds! Are you ready to play? Let's go! Who says moo? Do you know, friends? It's a cow! Hello, cow! Can you say cow?
Cow!
Can you say moo?
Moo!
Wow, great job! Oh, that sounds like someone with feathers. What animal says cluck? Okay, let's peek behind the haystack. Wow, it's a chicken. Chickens love pecking at the ground and laying eggs. Can you say chicken? Chicken.
Chicken!
Can you say cluck? Cluck.
Cluck, cluck!
Wow, great job! That sounds soft and woolly. What animal makes that sound? Yay, it's a sheep. Sheep say baa, and they love to munch on green grass. Can you say sheep? Sheep. Can you say ba? Ba!
Ba!
Wow, great job! Wow, that's a loud one. Who could that be? It's a horse. Horses love to gallop and run across the farm. Can you say horse? Horse!
Horse!
Wow, great job! Ooh, I hear splashing. Who says quack, quack? Look, it's a duck. Ducks love to swim and play in the water. Can you say duck? Duck!
Duck!
Can you say quack? Quack!
Quack, quack!
Wow, great job! Whoa, that one woke up the whole farm! Who says that? Yes, you're right. It's the rooster, the farm's early morning alarm clock. Can you say rooster? Rooster? Let's learn with a fun song because it's Hat of Joy song time.
Hat of Joy song time!
Come along, it's time for fun. Down on the farm, beneath the sun. Who's that mooing? Who's that baa? Let's find out who our farm friends are. Moo, 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 says the cow so proud. Cluck, 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 the chicken's loud. Ba, 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 the sheep says hi. Neigh, 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 the horse runs by. Farm friends fun, hooray, hooray. We sing and laugh and shout, yay, yay. Farm friends fun, come dance along. Join the farm and sing this song. Quack, quack, quack by the little blue pond. Cock-a-doodle-doo when the day comes on. All our friends are happy and bright, playing together from morning to night. Listen close, what do you hear? The farm is full of sounds so clear. Every moo and every cluck brings us learning, fun, and luck. Moo, ba, cluck, cluck, doo, neigh, quack, cock-a-doodle-doo. Farm friends fun, let's all cheer again, same time next year. Friends fun with hat of joy. Learning's always full of joy.
Thanks for playing Farm Friends Fun. You did an amazing job. Subscribe for more fun learning with Hat of Joy. Bye-bye.